So hello everyone, since this week we don't have any class and I need to show you one important thing. It's about to check. Usually we will have a double check to after you're doing all the questions to find the answer whether this answer is correct or not. For example, if you calculate maybe one person, for a word problem, one person, the height of this person is 3 meters. Then you may think, is it possible? Because remember, math is always based on the usual life, right? So one person is not possible. He is 3 meters tall. So which means the answer you get is not correct. You need to have a double check. So also in about the algebra equation. So about this algebra equation, here's the homework question, and I pick it out to give you a way to help you know how to double check the answer. So let's solve this equation first. It will become 1 plus, open the bracket, it will become 15 minus 5x equals to x plus 7. And then move 5x to the right, it will become 6x, and move 7 to the left, it will become 16 minus 7. So which means 6x equals to 9. So x should equals to this one. Move here, it will become 9 over 6. Actually, the answer is that, remember to simplify it, it will be 3 and it will be 2. So 3 over 2. Also, you can write down maybe x equals to 1.4f. Okay, this question, maybe you should use fraction to represent the answer, but it's also a very common question. Now I need to show you how to check. So how to check? So you know x equals to 1.5 or 3 over 2. Now we can put the x back to the original equation. So you can write like that. Maybe it's the normal type, but also you can, maybe you are more familiar with the algebra equation. You don't need to write some too many things. So you should know if x equals to 1.5 and put x equals to 1.5 to the left of the equation, which means you can put x equals to 1.5 here. So the left, it will be like 1 plus 5 times 3 minus, maybe you don't like the decimal number, you can write down like 3 over 2. Then we need to calculate this one. It equals to 1 plus 5 times 3 actually is what? 6 over 2, right? So 6 over 2 minus 3 over 2 actually is 3 over 2, right? So equals to what? 1 plus 5 times 3 over 2 is 15 over 2. And we can also write down like all the fraction is 17 over 2. Now here's the left one. So how about the right one? So right one, it will become, put x in, it will become 3 over 2 plus 7. 7 is what? 14 over 2. Actually it's 2 over 3 plus 14. It also equals to 17 divided by 2, 17 over 2. So we know left equals to right, which means our answer is correct. Wait, this is the standard method to have the check of whether you got the answer is correct or not. So all the algebra equation, you can use this method to find out if you get the correct answer. So which means maybe check is easy and find the answer is also easy. So maybe in the word problem next week we'll learn about the word problem, how to use algebra equation to solve the word problem. And this one, very important. You need to list the algebra equation correctly, then you can find the correct answer. If you list the algebra equation wrong, also the answer is not correct. Okay, So this one is very important things. And after you do the homework, maybe some of you guys do not even done the homework, so you can use this double check method to self-check whether the answer is correct or not, and then you can submit it into our system. Okay, then after that, at last, have a good weekend. You can have a break, and see you next week.